Greg, what a great opportunity. You've brought us to DPF Engineering in Southern Ireland. Now, what's quite interesting is these two GROBs are the first GROBs in Southern Ireland, but also integrated with this Erowa automation cell. Tell us a little bit about the journey and the story here.
Well, Seamus first saw the GROB machines and he liked the configuration of the machine for the type of work that he was doing, but also wanted to buy something that was for the future as well, not just for today. So he liked the machines, the robustness of them, and to do what he wanted to do, but also to automate the machines. They're very good for automation, our machines. So he wanted to start off and build up to more machines, and this is his first step in the automation. The two machines are going on one Erowa cell.
It's quite interesting actually, because obviously you've got two types of sizes of pallets here as well, haven't you? But what's quite interesting, you've got more space here, so I know the automation can be added on, but he could buy actually larger machines depending on the work that he's actually getting from the aerospace companies.
Yeah, he could buy larger or smaller machines, Mark, to put on the same cell. So the pallets, because they're various different sizes, he can choose whatever pallet he wants to go on whatever machine. So there's a lot of opportunities there.
And I suppose it's a real credit for GROB, isn't it? You know, obviously we know that you're very, very strong in other marketplaces, but aerospace is really key. You're doing really well in the UK, but obviously bringing that to Ireland as well. I mean, obviously a bit of a coup, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It really is for us. Yeah, it's, you know, Seamus is really wanted to see the future, how he progresses his company. It's great for Southern Ireland, it's great for GROB. The machines are capable of doing aerospace or automotive, but what he liked is not only the configuration of the machine, but the reliability of the machines as well, and the robustness of them to do both those materials.
And at the moment, obviously this cell has only just been commissioned, obviously using some light materials at the moment, but when we talk about aerospace, we're talking about Inconels, we're talking about harder metals, titanium as well. GROB are very good at that, aren't they?
Yeah, we are. That's what we're doing now. We've proved that the machine is capable of doing that, and people are seeing that now, and that's the greatness really of what's happening with our company GROB.
And one thing I like about GROB, certainly in the UK, you're working with partners, tooling partners, automation partners. In other words, it's a one-stop shop, it's a solution providing service, not only a good machine tool.
Yeah, I mean, we work with a lot of different people as well. You know, this is a good marriage with Erowa, because our machines suit what Erowa are doing as well in the automation business. But we can do lots of different things, and that's what people don't always know about GROB, that we're not just a one-stop shop. We can do a lot of different things.
Now, I know you can bring engineers to some of these facilities that you've actually got across the UK and Ireland, but if they really want to sort of know GROB and why your machines are that good, can they come to your main hub, which is in Mindelheim in Germany?
We really do want to push people to come out to see it. It's a great facility, and you can't see that on the internet or what have you. You have to come to us to really appreciate how big we are and what we're capable of doing.
And your USB, I call it upside down machining. You guys have something different. I don't see that from any other machine tool manufacturer.
It is different. We are a different concept to everybody else. It's quite unique, and as you say, and we call it upside down machining. We've been berated for calling it that by some people, but it is, in effect, that is what it's doing. It's getting the swarf away from the cutting tool, getting the chips that are everybody's enemy, just clearing them away as quickly as you can.
And any engineers in the UK or Ireland that may not know GROB but want to know a little bit more, what is the best way to actually speak to you? Is it at the start of the process? Is it looking at going into sort of precision engineering markets like aerospace?
Yeah, I mean, Mark, we can really start with one machine doing all sorts of types of job, just manually loading it, right up to, we've got 150 machines on one line with automation. Anything in between, we're welcome anybody to come and talk to us, so we can have a look at what they need. And really, we're a solution provider, so we can look at what they're trying to achieve, and we can help them, we can advise them on that, what they want to achieve at the end of the day.
And I think with having the kudos of the first machines actually in Southern Ireland, it says something about GROB, doesn't it?
It does, yeah. We've now got machines in all parts of the UK, which is fantastic for a company that maybe 5 or 6 years ago nobody knew really who they were, and now we're really getting somewhere. For a company that's been around, for many years.